Hey, happy Friday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So, did you know that the guy who created Python, his name is Guido van Rossum? I just like to say his name. I've met him in real life because I'm super nerdy, and I love Python. And today we're adding Python language support to the custom code action. That's right. So if you didn't know this in workflows, you have the ability to execute custom code. But now, before it was just JavaScript, but now you can do Python. And so Guido van Rossum, wherever you are, shout out to you. But now that is available in the custom code action, and it's everything you'd want it to be. It's the screenshot. Sorry, just trying to zoom in there for you. But just like the JavaScript stuff, you can now run custom code in Python just the way you can. And you can see all the cool stuff you can do here on the right-hand side. It's radically not more complicated than that. There is a help doc, help.gohighlevel.com, workflow action custom code, and you can see all that. But as you can see, there is some really cool stuff like importing hash libraries and stuff. That's pretty legit. And as always, you can test your code, which is really cool before you run it. So all kinds of good things here. Really huge props to the team for making this happen. And for all of you nerdy people like me who love Python, today's your day. So on that note, I hope you have an amazing Friday, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.